Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the daily Quordle. 4 wordles to solve as quickly as we can, but I'm still going to start with inert chaos. As always, my go-to set of 10 letters. Sometimes it works better than others, and we do have a few greens today, so that's not too bad. The trouble is, none of these is completely guaranteed. Top left could be mount or found, or probably something that doesn't even have an OUNT ending. Bottom left could be refit or remit. Top right could be loads of things. I think I am going to try nudge in the top right, because it's the one that I've got the least information about. So it's the one where I can try a new word that could theoretically be correct. I don't want to just go for 5 new letters, because then I've got no chance that it will be correct. This could be correct, but it does also try 3 new letters, which might be useful. Or it might be completely unhelpful. Okay, top left is going to be mount or fount though, isn't it? So let's hope we need to use an M or an F somewhere else. Okay, so the E is the only vowel in the top left. What are we going to do about that? It could be duplicated, it could be blank E, blank E. I'm struggling to work out what it would be though. What about the bottom right? Could be arrow. I don't want to repeat the R at this stage. I'm struggling. I'm just going to go for remit because it's fairly likely in the bottom left, and even if it's wrong, it will confirm whether there's an M or an F in the top left. There is an M in the top left, so that's mount, but there's an F in the bottom left. So I kind of got the 50-50 wrong. If there was going to be one M and one F, I got it the wrong way round. But at least it is one M and one F and not a completely different letter that I didn't think of. Right. Top right is now interesting. The N is fourth, so that means we're not going to have a duplicated E. But we could have a duplicated N, of course. It's going to be penny, I think. It is. Okay. And now we've basically not learned anything more about this one since those first 2 guesses. I suppose we've ruled out razor by virtue of the fact that the R can't be first. So I will now try arrow. It's not remotely correct. So it is blank A, blank OR. That's why I didn't want to duplicate the R, because there's no guarantee it would be helpful. Right, I mean, we've only got some really uncommon letters left to use. It's going to be some kind of American spelling, isn't it? Valor. Of course, a word that should have a U in it's not even correct. It's the other American spelling, labour. Had we really not ruled out the B? Oh, we hadn't. I just needed one more guess. That was very unfortunate. I got 50-50 wrong over here. If I'd thought of that sequence, I'd have gone for valour or labour before I went for arrow. Because as I said, I didn't want to repeat the R. That was a little bit unskillful there because I didn't think of it quickly enough. But I do think also I'm a bit unlucky. But we ran out of guesses. That hasn't happened that often. But it has happened today. It's a Quordle failure. I don't know if you did better. You didn't do worse. Thank you for watching and bye for now.